Hi there. If your page is in good standing, no violation, still marked green, but you can't find the boost button during your live streams, then this video is just for you. We're going to unlock the Boost Live video feature with just a few simple steps. First, click the link in the video description to download the tool called Unlock Boost Live Video. Once it's downloaded, go to your Downloads folder, right-click the file, and choose Extract here. Next, open your Chrome browser. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, go to More Tools, then choose Extensions. Now, enable Developer Mode in the top right corner of the page. Click Load Unpacked and select the folder you just extracted. Now you'll see the Unlock Boost Live video extension appear. Click the puzzle icon and pin the extension so it's easy to access later. Go ahead and open the extension. Fill in all the required fields. Your Facebook page ID, a screenshot showing that the boost button is missing from your live stream. And don't forget to paste in the request reason. It's already included in the downloaded folder. Once everything is ready, hit the Start button. Wait for the progress bar to reach 100%. The tool will automatically send your request to Facebook. If the request fails the first time, no worries. Just wait 1 to 2 hours, then reopen the tool and try again. Important: don't use other tools in the meantime, as that could cause conflicts. And that's it. Go back to your Facebook page, start a live stream, and boom, the boost button is now available. Congrats! You've successfully unlocked Boost Live Video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, so I can keep sharing powerful tools to help you grow. Thanks for watching.